Both of you left side.
Starting left.
Yeah. Here center please. Wait, center में wait. सानिया सोलो.
सानिया जी यहाँ पर देखिए ना.
थोड़ा आगे. सोलो. एक स्टेप आगे है ना.
नहीं बस.
सानिया सेंटर.
सानिया लेफ्ट
लेफ्ट साइड सानिया लेफ्ट साइड.
सानिया जी सेंटर.
सानिया लेफ्ट
लेफ्ट साइड सानिया लेफ्ट साइड.
सानिया सेंटर.
सानिया लेफ्ट साइड. सानिया जी रुकता आधी. मी मागे का आलो तुमच्यासाठी आलो ना.
बस मी तुझ्यासाठी पाठी आलो. दिव्या जी थोड़ा आगे आइए ना प्लीज. बस.
दिव्या जी लेफ्ट में
बस बता. दिव्या सेंटर यो.
दिव्या जी लेफ्ट सामने सेंटर दिव्या जी
सेंटर में.
दिव्या जी सेंटर
यो.
दिव्या जी यहाँ पे
दिव्या जी यो.
दिव्या जी यहाँ पे नाम.
बोलना. दिव्या जी सेंटर में.
दिव्या जी
दिव्या जी यहाँ पे.
विशाल.
दिव्या जी यो.
अरे वो बूम भी निकल खड़ा है. वायर किधर है?
दिव्या जी
दिव्या जी यहाँ पे मैम. मैम इस तरफ.
दिव्या जी यहाँ पे
थैंक यू.
और भी पीछे है. वो गेम ऐसे रखा क्या?
सेव करने आता नहीं मुझे.
ऑल ऑफ यू लुक हियर लेफ्ट
सेंटर यार. हो गया समित भाई.
हो गया
लुक यार.
वेट.
रेस्ट कम था. क्या हुआ रे?
थैंक यू
तिकडे फॅशन नाही वाटत. मैम थोड़ा इस तरफ हमारी तरफ सर.
आदिती जी इकडे.
अदिति जी मेरे पास देखा नहीं आपने. अदिति राइट.
सेंटर अदिति जी. अरे रुकिए. लेफ्ट आपके लेफ्ट. आपके थोड़ा लेफ्ट. अदिति सेंटर.
अदिति लुक या अदिति.
आदिती जी
अदिति यो. नहीं अदिति यो.
आदिती जी
अदिति जी इकडे बघा. समोर बघा. धन्यवाद.
देख वापस बीच में साइड में ना.
विशाल सर. चलो ये थोड़े पीछे.
ये गिर गया.
क्या कर रहे थे?
एक और अंदर करते हैं. हाँ मास्क काढ़ा. वेट.
लैंडो. गेम. लाइट है. सोनाली जी सेंटर में. मैडम इकडे बघा.
मैम लेफ्ट ला. सोनाली मैम लेफ्ट ला.
सोनाली जी.
मैडम लेफ्ट.
पीछे बड़ा विजुअल.
मैडम समोर. सोनाली लुक यार. नहीं मिला.
सोनाली मैम इकडे बघा ना एकदा लेफ्ट ला.
सोनाली जी
थँक यू.
इकडे मॅडम. इकडे सोनाली सेंटर में.
मैम सेंटर राइट में. मैम
सेंटर.
Guys, let's start from here and we'll go till there. Okay?
Yes.
This
पण
side.
वेटिंग दे. थांबा जरा.
This here,
सेंटर एंड सेंटर.
center,
सेंटरला थांबा जरा. धन्यवाद.
नाउ हियर राइट.
okay?
ओके डन.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
Yeah, I'm very excited. I think it's a great format. I mean, tennis, as everybody knows, is an individual sport, so it's really nice to play in a team event, and it's great to have all the top players of the country play in this event 3 years in a row. And I obviously wasn't part of it last 2 years, but I'm glad to be here.
Well, you being a player, how are you going to motivate the team members?
Well, I guess being a player, I know the emotions that go into it, and I've been part of various teams in my life. So I hope I can bring that energy and that positive energy.
Okay, so ma'am, you have served India so many years. Are you looking forward for any players who can serve India for so many years as long you have did it?
I don't know. I mean, I hope they can do it even longer. There are so many amazing players here. All the top players of the country are here, whether it's the men or the women. And I think that all of them have the potential to do well. I think it's just about putting in that work and hopefully God being kind.
Well, it's going to be competition, or is it going to be a fun night for you?
I don't think it's competition. Today is more about getting to know everybody and a fun night. But from tomorrow, it's all business.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ma'am. Have a
Thank
great day.
First of all, I am really excited that the Tennis Premier League is actually happening after 2 years of not many fans in stadiums, of people playing in bubbles, of a lockdown. COVID-19 has changed the way of sport. Also, COVID-19 has had its own influence and its take on people's lives. And in that, I reach out to every family out there that's been affected by COVID. I reach out to every athlete and teams that are there that have been affected with COVID. And as far as today goes, the opening of the Tennis Premier League, I'm so happy that the boys have done a great job to bring back not just all the great players of India, the past, the present, the future, but also make it an international event, just as I had promised before we got into this COVID lockdown. So
Being a player, sir, how are you going to motivate the team, and what will be your words to them?
Well, for me, I think the biggest motivation is that all of us have gotten through this very rough time of a COVID pandemic. It's wonderful to see a lot of my friends back. Wonderful to see Nandan Bal, Zishan Ali, Goran Ivanisevic, one of my favorite tennis players on the planet, was supposed to be with us. But unfortunately, with the new strain and the travel restrictions, he's not here. But he's going to be with us this evening on Zoom. But we would have loved to have Goran here. Also to see all the international players come in, to see the best Indian players come in. My own team, you have Ram Kumar and the rest of the pack and Nikki and the whole gang. It's great to have the players here.
बहुत एक्साइटेड. मेरी टीम दिल्ली बिनीज ब्रिगेड पिछले सीज़न की भी बहुत ही पॉपुलर टीम थी और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज़ हमने बहुत ही मेहनत की है और हमारी जो मेंटर भी हैं अंकिता भामरा, उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत से सब प्लेयर्स को ट्रेन किया, मेंटर किया है. सो it's really exciting to be here and you know tennis as a sport like हम सब encourage कर रहे हैं. बिन्नी जी भी like you know he's encouraging. उन्होंने दिल्ली में ही told me कि पूरा auditions रखे हैं. 500 players का एक talent hunt हुआ जिसमें से हमने जो अच्छे best players थे जो जीते उनको हमने उठाया. So you know it's a great way to promote talent.
Okay, so ma'am, how it is important for our India to have such kind of league so that we can have great players and we can prevent Roger Federer and Nadal in the future?
Yeah, I think this is just the beginning. This is just season 3 है and you know season 3 है. So I think आप सब लोग जितना करेंगे, साथ देंगे सबका, उतनी ये लीग ग्रो होगी. हम जनरली सिर्फ क्रिकेट को ही सपोर्ट करते हैं बट आई थिंक टेनिस एज अ स्पोर्ट बहुत ही अच्छी स्पोर्ट है जो कि सब लोग खेलते हैं हमारे देश में. सो वी शुड इनकरेज द प्लेयर्स.
So ma'am, are you looking forward for any kind of player, any player? Are you looking for any player?
We have in our team Yuki Bhamra, so we are very excited. I'm very happy कि बहुत सारे international players ने भी हमें join किया है.
Thank you so much.